So you've ditched the big banks and embraced the future with Sofi? Smart move. But what about those situations where a good old-fashioned paper check is still the only option? Rent payments to a landlord stuck in their ways, that one friend who never got on the digital money train? Fear not, fellow Sofi member, because yes, you can get physical checks. Let's face it, navigating a new online bank can be confusing, especially when it comes to the nitty-gritty details. So, buckle up, because in this video, we're diving deep into the world of Sofi checks, how to order them, how long they take to arrive, and anything else you might need to know to keep your financial life smooth sailing. First things first, unlike some banks that charge you an arm and a leg for the privilege, Sofi offers completely free checks. That's right, no hidden fees, no surprise charges, just good old-fashioned financial freedom. Now, onto the ordering process. There are two main ways to snag those checks, through the Sofi app or the Sofi website. Both methods are super user-friendly, so you won't need a degree in computer science to figure it out. If you're a mobile whiz, open the Sofi app and navigate to your Sofi checking or Sofi money account homepage. Look for the More icon, it might be 3 dots arranged vertically, depending on your phone, and tap on it. From there, you should see an option for Order Checks. Easy, right? The website process is just as simple. Log into your Sofi account and head over to your checking or money account dashboard. Once you're there, find the section with account options or settings, and you should see a clear path to order checks. Alright, you've placed your order, but how long will it take for those checks to arrive? Sofi estimates it'll take about 10 to 14 business days for your shiny new checkbook to show up at your doorstep. Just a heads up, there might be a 1-week waiting period before you can order another set of 25 checks. Now, while we're on the topic of checks, let's address a common question. Can you deposit checks into your Sofi account? Absolutely. Sofi offers mobile deposit, which means you can skip the bank entirely. Just open the Sofi app, tap on the deposit icon, follow the on-screen instructions to snap clear pictures of both the front and back of the check, and voila! Your money will be on its way to your account, typically within 1 to 5 business days. So there you have it, folks. Ordering Sofi checks is a breeze, and depositing checks with the mobile app is just as convenient. Remember, Sofi provides these services completely free, so you can ditch the check writing worries and focus on what matters, making the most of your money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.